Hi, in this video, we are going to show you how to create a scatter plot with a diagonal reference line. Well, this is a regular scatter plot with one dimension and two measures. First, let's duplicate profit by pressing Ctrl key and drag it to the row. Now we have an extra chart which almost looks like a diagonal, but it is not. We need to use trend line to better represent the diagonal line. And let's hide the data marks by setting the opacity to be 0%. Next, let's dual axis, synchronize axis, and hide the header. Next, we need to set both axes to be of the same scale, same data range. So, by looking at the data, we know almost the data range. So let's fix them to from -8,000 to 26,000. This one too, from -8,000 to 26,000. Voila. The last step, if you wish, you can format the trend line. Okay, we're done. Thanks for watching this video. If you have questions or if you like me to show a particular topic, please leave a message in the comment area. Please also click like or subscribe if you enjoy watching this video. See you next time.